guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically like mesh your photo with like an anime picture. So I'm just going to use this as the image, and I'm just going to kind of like adjust it to the person's like shape and body and stuff. Go to mask and select split, and you're just going to split it kind of like this way. I'm going to kind of like feather it out to even blend it more with the person, and like adjust the size as well. It's not going to look absolutely perfect, but that's fine. I'm just going to go to adjustments, and I'm going to turn the brightness down a little bit to kind of like match with the person even more here. Maybe just saturation. You can leave it at that, or you can even add in like a black and white filter on top to like make it even more like one color, I guess. But that's basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!